Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So as I promised to provide a daily quiz for a Xenea wallet, so here today we are going together to answer a Xenea wallet daily quiz for this Xenea airdrop. So let's click on our daily points as you can see here. So congratulations, we have get 101 points. So here it is. So let's go for the quiz. So let's click on it. So start the quiz. So what is the market capitalization? So here is the simplest answer that they ever asked. So the market capitalization, it's as simple as you can see, the circulation supply times market price. So here is the market cap. So here it is as simple as that. They make it like simpler than ever. So here is the correct answer is A. So let's click on it. So congratulations for us, we have clicked on the correct answer here. So that's it. So if this is your first time to cross my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video.